That PXF file is an Autodesk Product Exchange format, designed to shuttle design data between different Autodesk applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and utilize this CAD interchange file. I'll be introducing you to the true time saver at the end. This involves the correct application of a single premium PXF file inspection utility designed for broad spectrum file support. A PXF file is an Autodesk Product Exchange File format used for exchanging product design data between Autodesk applications. It stores 3D model data, assembly structures, and design metadata in a format facilitating interoperability between different Autodesk design and manufacturing software tools. PXF files follow Autodesk's Product Exchange format specification, encoding 3D geometry, assembly hierarchies, and product attributes in an XML-based or binary container. The format supports parametric design data transfer between Autodesk Inventor, Fusion 360, and other Autodesk manufacturing applications. Autodesk AutoCAD, developed by Autodesk, Inc., serves as the industry application standard for PXF. The file is locked by a proprietary indexing system Windows cannot read natively. Windows can't decode all design elements, so in-depth review belongs in a CAD or modeling suite. Your most vital first action is the file association test. Right-click the PXF file and choose Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the correct software. If the PXF file is still giving you trouble, relax. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, open with Autodesk Inventor or Fusion 360. PXF files are opened using Autodesk Inventor or Autodesk Fusion 360. Launch the application and use File Open to browse for the PXF file. Autodesk's design applications will import the product data, including 3D geometry, part structures, and associated metadata from the Exchange file. Next, use Autodesk Vault for data management. If working in a managed design environment, use Autodesk Vault to import and manage PXF files within your product data management system. Vault handles version control and data relationships for Exchange design files, ensuring proper integration with existing Autodesk product lifecycle management workflows. Finally, convert to STEP or IGES for compatibility. If Autodesk applications are unavailable, convert the PXF file to a standard neutral format, such as STEP or IGES using Autodesk Inventor's export tools. STEP and IGES formats are universally supported by all major CAD systems, allowing the design data to be accessed in non-Autodesk environments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.